Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 18th, and this is my market recap of the pound US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. If you'd like to get access to my membership, you do so at my website, fxpipcollector.com, link, and it gets you access to all these things down here below and more. So, anyways, the pound dollar definitely has not broken structure yet. The most recent structure for me is right here because that's where it went up and made another new high. And with the fact that other dollar pairs have broken structure, and this looks like 5 ways up, I think there is a pretty good chance we will break down. If and when we break down, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up, and then hopefully observe it to see if it makes an overlapping corrective pattern down to a Fibonacci level and goes back up, or whether it makes a very impulsive pattern with smaller pullbacks, meaning that it really is a trend reversal. Either way, when we get that break of structure, that should tell us more, observing whether it's impulsive or corrective and putting your Fibonacci retracement on there to look for areas of possible resistance if it really is the end of a correction coming. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.